So I'm just going to sort of develop those skills that we did in the first drawing to do the speech bubble. Again, new layer, rename it, and this time I'm going to use my rectangle tool to begin with. I'm going to just up that a little bit. 4 or 5 is fine, and this time I want a rectangle with a black stroke. Not sure of the stroke thickness, I might just thicken that up before I start drawing a little bit, and just put the basic speech bubble shape up there. So we've got our rectangle, and once again we can start to think about manipulating the shape of that. Maybe just try and make it a bit more bubbly by dragging these out a little bit. I can also just drag, whoops, got the whole thing there. Just undo that. Just deselect. See, as I got that corner point there, I might want to sort of drag that down to make it more of a bubble, and I might just sort of push that in to make it a bit of a sort of speech bubble shape. And I might play with that a little bit. So I've got my speech bubble effect, and on that layer also I'm going to add the text for that. If you just have a look back at the example, which is watch out. So I'm just going to use my text tool, just click here, and it's going onto another line because the bounding box here around the text isn't quite big enough. I can expand that, as you can see. I want to put a new line in there, so I'm just going to use Shift and Enter to put a new line in, and then I can add the out and the exclamation marks. I'm going to change the colour back to black, so I'm going to come over to the properties. You can see what font it's in here, and choose black. I can do other things here. For example, I can expand the size a little bit if I'm not happy with that. I can look at the letter spacing here. See, maybe want to spread that out a little bit. Obviously change the font, and these are for the position. But I'm happy with that, and that's that bit of the design finished.